Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get your PSA birth certificate online. First you need to go to psaservicelist.com.ph. Then our copy is 330 per copy, then 430 for CNMR. Then click OK. Then step 1, click here to request now. Then accept the agreement. Then fill out the form. Technologia. This is for sample only. 1, 2, 3. Maharlika, Tondo, then delivery province. If you are residing in Manila, choose Metro Manila. Municipality, Manila. Zip code 1000. Then telephone number 0926 123 1231. Techno at yahoo.com. Then click next. Then confirm. Then choose birth certificate. There any correction or amendment done to the birth certificate you're applying for? No. If you have no changes before, were you able to previously get a copy of birth certificate from PSA? Just no. Then, how many copies do you want? One or two or others? Then click one. Then fill up the form. Technologia, sex male, Philippines, province, Manila, Manila, January 1, 2010. Fathers, mothers, this is for example only. Registered date, no. Purpose, others. Then type your reason for reference. Relationship to the owner of the birth certificate, brother. Then save. Then confirm if the details is correct. Then if you click submit, the PSA service will send you an email and including the reference number and the payment process. So after submitting this, you can check the email about the payment process online and the reference number. So I'm going to cancel because this is for example only. So I cancel it. After you receiving the email, click here, then payment. You can pay through credit card, video branches, Union Bank, Buy Center. The process is included into your email. Just check it. That's all guys. Thank you for watching and I hope this been informative for you and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.